Randy with Top Rope Belts with you here again today. A very special belt today. This is first of a kind for us at Top Rope Belts, and a real step forward for the industry in general. This is an in-house made 3D big gold. It is jewel plated on polished nickel with 24 karat gold. It has cast pieces applied to it in the form of the wrestlers, the crown, and the globe. It's on very dark brown leather with white stitching and the classic 8/8 snap pattern. Let's take the tour. Here you've got the female snap end. There's a shot of the TRB logo tooled into the leather. Got the white stitching all the way down. Here's the very first side plate. Look how bright and shiny that nickel is, and how bright and shiny the gold is. You talk about a bare to jewel plate. Our standard etched big golds, like everybody makes, the filigree is flat, so it takes time to jewel plate, but this thing with all the flourishes and stone holders and everything being rounded off to give it that 3D, and really just had to be so careful and time consuming doing the gold work. Here we can see World Heavyweight Wrestling Champion in solid block letters. See if we can get the detail and the filigree at the top, and notice how much nickel you can actually see doing this 3D instead of the standard 2D acid etched belt. We do have more coming. This is the prototype. So on the prototype we used our cast globe, crown, and wrestlers. We do have other artwork that has those features as part of the design, so it won't be any more application. It'll all be made into one plate, all three-dimensional. We did this one with a built-in nameplate. Of course, removable is available. Just look at that detail. And I know I've already said it, but just look how much nickel that you see doing this thing 3D, because we're able to actually get in there and open up some of those areas that the acid just cannot reach. This belt is just outstanding in person. I hope the video does it justice. And here's your other side plate. Now we use the dark red ruby Swarovski crystals as standard. There's your male snaps. Straight white stitching. And of course you do have the backing on the belt, as always, to cover the snaps and studs. But like I said, this is just the first of many to come. We will be offering this in this format: the 80s style big gold, the 90s style big gold, the W style big gold, custom big golds, and also custom belts. This is really going to open the door for us to do some different things. So if you want something different than the other guys, Top Rope Belts is your source. always say our tagline is tradition and innovation. Right here we're putting our money where our mouth is. We're not farming this out. We're not paying somebody to do the work. This is all done in-house. We own the equipment. Top Rope Belts, tradition and innovation. Tell your friends about us. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. And of course always visit topropebelts.com.